There are two different types of meditation, according to the Buddha's teaching. Of course, there are different types of meditation across the world. But what I'm saying is from the Buddha. There are two types that I've followed for more than 3 decades, more than 30 years. One is Samatha, that is the power of concentration. Samatha meditation means the development of the concentration. And to develop the concentration, you have to just focus on one object. Your breath is easily chosen to pay attention to, just as for one object. When you pay attention to your own breath, keep observing the breath, keep observing the breath. Breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out, repeatedly. That accumulate your mind, that concentrate the mind on the object, and that develop this concentration deeper and deeper. Whenever they got enough concentration, your mind becomes calm, tranquil, and serene. It's free from different kinds of negative and positive thoughts because you are focusing on this one object. And when you have that, the power of concentration by paying attention to one object, such as breathing, you have to switch on your technique to another one. That is called Vipassanā meditation. Vipassana meditation is totally different from Samatha meditation. Vipassana meditation means you have to be aware of whatever rises and passes away through the eye, through the ear, through the nose, through the tongue, through the body, and through the mind. This is called Vipassana meditation. And also you have to be aware of whatever you feel, and you have to be aware of whatever your emotions are. And these are called Vipassana meditation. When you practice the Vipassana meditation, the achievement of the Vipassana meditation is to see things as they are. The thing that you feel, the thing that you think, and the thing that your emotions shouldn't be permanent. You have to see their nature, their true nature, as they are. As they are means that they rise and pass away, they rise and pass away. Each of the state, each of the thought, each of the emotions, each of the feelings rises and passes away. When you see this, the impermanent nature of the thoughts, feelings, emotions, sensations, perceptions, these are called the Vipassana understanding. Then you achieve the Vipassana understanding. Once you see that things are changing, the impermanent nature of the emotions, impermanent nature of thought, impermanent nature of the feeling, impermanent nature of the sensation, impermanent nature of perception. And that is Vipassana. But Vipassana can be fully supported by Samatha concentration meditation. Without concentration, Vipassana understanding will be very weak and very slow and very dull. It's difficult to be precise, to see things as they are. As I said, to see things as they are means to see them rising and passing away, rising and passing away. This is called Vipassana understanding. Because we are not noticing actually, things are changing. But when we pay attention to, when we practice Vipassana meditation through the observing the natural phenomena of the mind, the thoughts, the feeling, the sensation, the emotion, perceptions, they are impermanent, really. They are truly impermanent when we observe them mindfully. And to see, when you see your emotions impermanent, your feelings impermanent, your emotions impermanent, your perceptions impermanent, your thoughts impermanent, then you achieve Vipassana understanding, which is called the Vipassana jnana. The Vipassana means to see things as they are. It means to see their true nature of rising and passing away. This is the goal of Vipassana and the achievement of Vipassana. When you achieve this, your meditation is successful. If you do not see the impermanent nature of your thoughts, feelings, emotions, your Vipassana meditation is not successful. So to be successful in Vipassana practice, you have to just observe every thought, every feeling, every sensation, every emotion, the rising and passing away, rising and passing away, that to see their impermanent nature. And this is what Vipassana is, achievement of Vipassana is, right? This is the difference between Samatha meditation, concentration meditation, Vipassana meditation, according to the Buddha's teaching. And this is also the way that I practiced for more than 30 years, more than 3 decades in the forest. And I'm teaching the same technique to people who want to follow me, who want to join my instruction. Then what is the benefits of Vipassana meditation? And of course, when you see things as they are, every thought, every feeling, every sensation, every emotion, every perception is impermanent, then you can let things go easily. You can let go of your emotion easily. You can let go of your feeling easily. You can let go of your thoughts easily. You can let go of your perception easily because they are impermanent. We are really not aware of what they are, what their nature are. But now in Vipassana meditation, we can see that their nature, their true nature, every state of mind, every state of thought, every state of feeling, every state of emotion, every state of perceptions, just impermanent. When we see them, their true nature, we can let them go easily. When we can let them go easily, what happens? We don't need to be stressful with those kind of stupid thoughts, emotions, feelings, sensations, emotions, perceptions, because we are very much annoyed and disturbed every day by these kind of stupid thoughts, feelings, emotions, and perceptions, right? So when we see them, their nature, they are just impermanent. By observing them, through observing their true nature, then we can let them go easily. And that is the benefit of Vipassana meditation. And that makes us, when we can let go of those stupid emotions unnecessarily holding within ourselves, and we can be healthy because that they cannot disturb, they cannot annoy, they cannot make us stress. The cortisol will be stopped. The stress will be removed by practicing Vipassana meditation. This is the benefits of practicing Vipassana meditation. And you can be happier and healthier. The more you practice that Vipassana meditation, the healthier you will live in the world, and the longer you can live life. This is my experience of that Vipassana meditation. Nowadays there are scientific evidence. By practicing Vipassana meditation, you can keep yourself longer. Your longevity can be extended as you want it to be in the world by practicing this meditation. Thank you for listening to it.